Further to our discussion held late yesterday evening regarding your demands in the matter pertaining to MOI, in regards to amendment to Education Act 1984 as per the Cabinet decision of 1st July 2014. We would like to reiterate the assurance given by Honorable Chief Minister in the Assembly that the committee proceedings will be expedited and the matter be placed before the House for its approval in the next Assembly session, December 2015, Jan 2016. December 2015, Jan 2016. We request you to end your fast for a peaceful solution to the issue. It is signed by Shri Averthan Furtado, Srimati Alina Saldana, Shri Benjamin Silva, Shri Pramod Sawant, Shri Siddharth Kunkalikar, Shri Mahadev N. Naik, Shri Caetano R. Silva, Shri J. L. Carlos Almeida, Shri Subhash U. Desai, Shri Glenn Tiklo, and the person who is in the select committee, Shri Nilesh Kabral. These are the MLAs and the ministers who have signed the letter, my dear parents.
I came over here to give them my full support. In the next assembly, it is assured by the Chief Minister and all our MLAs from the BJP and from the they have assured in writing that the bill will come. Before that, the select committee has to sit. It is very important that the select committee sits 1 or 2 sittings and give their report to the government.
Indications available are that the government has been forced by force to see reason and to see the need to fulfill its commitment. Commitment was given by the government. The government is belatedly coming here to say that we are going to keep our commitment by the next session. We have always been saying this. Go and meet the people and assure them. The government has up to now desisted from doing this. म्हाका दिसता एक व्हडलो तमाशा केलो सरकारान इतले दिसांचो. गोंयचे पेरंट्सांक टेररिस्टा भशेन ट्रीट केले, तांचेर केसी घाल्यो आनी आतां लास्टाक यू टर्न मारलो. आतां हो यू टर्न सारको मारलो तो रुळाचेर उरतलो काय परतो हालतलो. आमचो डिमांड आशिल्लो आमी वी वर विथ द पीपल.